Binswanger has been selected as exclusive agent by Arcosa Wind Powers, Inc. for the marketing of a 122,050 square foot industrial building on 54 acres. The building is located at 4319 Emmett Sanders Road in the port of Pine Bluff, Arkansas, fronting the Arkansas River, which is considered the city's harbor industrial district. It is minutes to I-530, US Highway 65, and the Pine Bluff Regional Airport. It is also 30 minutes to Interstate 30, Interstate 40, and the Bill and Hillary Clinton National Airport in Little Rock. The sale includes a coil and barge unloading center that has barge docking capabilities. The building features ceiling heights up to 53 feet and ample column spacing yielding 80-foot bays and 50-foot bays, and two 20-ton cranes. There is a paved and lighted parking lot with a 200-car capacity and overflow parking available on the side of the building. Also included are 4 additional small buildings on the property. A single-story, 102,029 square foot industrial facility, a 17,220 square foot painting building, a 4,380 square foot brake press building, and an 8,392 square foot office building. The property is served by Union Pacific Rail with a rail line that runs in front of the facility. A rail spur is possible. Heavy power to the buildings is supplied by Entergy, and gas is supplied by CenterPoint Energy. Pine Bluff is the 10th largest city in the state of Arkansas and the county seat of Jefferson County. The city was founded on a high bank of the Arkansas River, heavily forested with tall pine trees. Pine Bluff has numerous creeks, streams, and bayous, including Bayou Bartholomew, which is the longest bayou in the world and is the second most diverse stream in the United States. Major employers in Pine Bluff include Jefferson Regional Medical Center, Simmons First National Corp., Tyson Foods, Evergreen Packaging, the Pine Bluff Arsenal, the Union Pacific Railroad, and a large number of paper mills. New companies to the region include Highland Pellets, Newland LLC, Energy Security Partners, and Western Foods LLC. Several existing industries are expanding, and 94% of employers have become an ACT Work-Ready community to drive workplace development and economic growth. Pine Bluff is looking forward to a new public library and aquatic center currently underway in the downtown. For more information about this property in Pine Bluff, Arkansas, please contact Holmes Davis, Senior Vice President, Binswanger, at 972-663-9494 or email Holmes at hdavis@binswanger.com.